I'm sure you've heard the news. People are making money online with gaming apps, but is it really possible? Stick around because I'm about to show you how. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I share incredible methods to make money online that can be done from anywhere in the world. Comment below with your country, and I'll create specific videos tailored to your region. Now let's get started. Let's talk about Sweet Cash, a super popular mobile game that mixes match 3 puzzles with real rewards. The idea is simple. Beat levels, and you earn points that can be cashed out for PayPal money. But that's not all. Sweet Cash also has a referral program, so you can earn even faster by inviting your friends with your special link. The app is available worldwide, with over 1 million downloads and a solid 4.4-star rating from thousands of gamers. You can even choose to get paid in crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or UST. So, what are you waiting for? Comment your country below if you want more region-specific apps. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ways to earn online. Thanks for watching. See you next time.